I just want to show one of the projects that I've been working on. I'm trying to get this done to take out my Halloween decorations, and I'm getting ready to take out my Halloween decorations. So right now in quilting, and I'm not a big quilter, I do a little bit of quilting, but right now in quilting, the trend is these wool, is using wool. And this is a project that I've been working on. It's Applique. And I have, if you look closely, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I have some decorative stitches around the edge. And this is my first Applique project. And so the finished product will have the words trick or treat across the bottom. And so I have some iron-on backing and the letters that I've cut out. And this is my last little finishing touch. I do have to sew some bats on, but this is a project that when it's finished, a lot of quilters are taking these small applique projects and they are using them, if you have a tray to display them in or on a coffee table. I am probably going to use mine as more like a wall hanging. I have a few spaces in my house where I could hang it and it would look really pretty. But hopefully when I get this finished, I'll be able to do a blog post on it. And I can show you also, my aunt is a quilter. Well, both of my aunts are quilters. But one of my aunts is working on a Halloween quilt made out of wool. She's appliquing some really detailed work on the quilt, and I would love to show pictures that I took of her squares that she was making. It's the most adorable Halloween quilt you've ever seen. And so anyway, I just wanted to share this project. And this is a great way to learn fun stitches, is to tackle a project this small instead of something as big as a quilt. This stitch right here, if you'll look on my website, I have a post called Hot Little Number. And it's about a dress that I almost threw away that I took out and, finished it up, and it turned into this beautiful dress. And on the back side of the zipper, I stitched with gold threading this same stitch that I used on the moon. So I learned how to do this stitch right here on this project, and I put that detail, hand stitched it on the back of my zipper. And it just, seriously, it's a beautiful detail. So I hope you'll take a look at that post, and I just wanted to share this as we get closer to the Halloween season.